Vera go come and my man is working. My man have a driving license. If your husband, if your man they work, he get driving license. You know what they go do? Even the paper as it will expire. They go give a multa, make it pay. They not go deport him.
Abi they don't swear for Vera. Now they swear they propose and I don't know what they happen.
No. Now many things they worry Vera. Madam will carry Vera come. I first swear for Vera. Madam will carry Vera come Stella. Now Stella let us say Vera here to not bury. Is Vera is I want the Vera here to not. Do you know the meaning of to not bury? He said Vera will turn to the ground that all year never exists again.
You tap your go to not bury.
He said Vera will turn to the land that all year and water never exists again. And any soil that water and oil never exists, is a bullet. Okay? He can't swear for Vera. Papa can't swear for Vera. Children can't swear for Vera. My mom, Papa can't swear for Vera.
My sister, wait, I won't ask you one question now. As it be now, this Vera so for her life now, all the people where she be offend. Today, if she come out, come beg all of them, settle some issue, both family and outside. Una go forgive them.
As I this, I not be God, I'll forgive her. I not be God. I not be God.
Okay.
So una wait, my sister, you wait, Una know say Vera not be Facebook and TikTok. Vera forbid me. Since 2018, Vera use me make money for YouTube where they take builders. 2020, Vera come out for YouTube. Vera come beg me. Who they aware of this story? Vera beg me. Now Benjamin because they fight Vera for this one. Benjamin because they fight Vera for background. Say why she come beg me because why Vera not get sense. Benjamin not say Vera. Still they talk to me. I go see they give us small sense. Because Vera not get sense for that one. I hear they do gaga. Vera not get sense. So Vera use me make money 218, 219, 220 for YouTube. Who they aware? Make it right now. I don't make money because they make I forgive her 2020. I be 2019. He can't put picture. That TikTok they don't know who know TikTok. Now YouTube that they pay people for you Facebook. Oh. Now YouTube now Vera use me and my husband and my children make money. Vera YouTube. If you they hear when they call Kate pizza, Kate pizza, Kate now me.
Okay, now you that time.
May I tell you the name? Maybe for not saying na me.
Because me, when I started to watch Vera, I think it was 2021 to 2022. I think so. Because when she started all those people.
Do not go YouTube. Do not go YouTube. YouTube starts from 2018, 2019, 2020. So you don't go YouTube. Hey, yeah, you don't
no,
go
I don't go YouTube. But
okay.
I know when she they talk about pizza, Kate, pizza. I feel say now that Kate, that Benin Kate, now she they talk to.
Now me Vera start to they make money for YouTube. Me and my husband and my children. My husband family.
Make
Vera
saga
me.
Vera, I never for Benin people, all those Benin people where they do saga, they still they apologize. Sometimes when they enter their head, they'll say they apologize, they go see settle. I never see the one where Vera come outside say she don't apologize. You see, this life, you know to carry things personal. This one on social media, you talk some kind of things. When you see say the matter they go where you know, no, you go come out. I beg my people, Mona, forgive me, or this word when I talk. You don't still move on. Vera, they fight everybody. And they see her video now. And they see her. Not be she fight for street that time when with one woman come fight when the woman come
beat her. Where Benjamin they find handkerchief for ground. Instead of Benjamin, the same mama come my man say, hey, when I not touch my motor, when I not touch my car, that ball a car.
Imagine person where fit throw away children, can't deny them, give man. I life won't be.
He life for Dabaru. Now many things. Now me they tell now. Madam said Vera can never. He said Vera go do another person go collect her. He said Vera can. Do you know why that madam swear for Vera? Madam last born, his own last born, way with Vera enter road the same time, the same day. That madam last born come buy for Mauritania see. As the buy, Vera be don't buy for Mauritania CO because that time when they enter, the tragedy was too severe. Now because of his children, now God help and ancestors help them. All their people, they not reach 2 or 3 will survive. I said Vera Tom, Pope go seaside. all both will enter all of the capside. Because of the same these Vera children, God that ancestor can say, you leave children for us, make I rescue you.
They tell you.
Where Vera enter, because Vera don't you know not say na Vera cross Benjamin. Now Vera work money. Now Vera work money for Libya. They cross Benjamin. Okay.
Can you imagine?
That is why you see say Vera is the control when it comes to Benjamin. If father not even get say. When Benjamin one at the see so Benjamin, if papa born 2 boys and 1 girl, the girl now not where. Benjamin senior brother now gone. AK-47 they take buy for highway where they go rob in with Benjamin. Okay. As they can use AK-47 take pie Benjamin senior brother. Benjamin escaped. Now Benjamin teta Niger. From Niger to Agadez. From Agadez, Doroku, Libya. Now so he take maneuver. As he reach Tripoli, he come meet mama. He come meet mama for the ghetto where their mama, where they carry them, they come, which is one cross them. Now Vera, you don't see mama. And mama come tell Vera, say, if papa, they control Germany. After the president of Germany, now papa be the if papa get passport, papa get 1 street for Germany.
Wahala. That is what the Wahala. Wahala for the body. Right on, mama.
Oh.
He said if papa get 1 street. He said, but only the problem way with the papa gets, the other of his brother don't go through AK-47 power. So if papa can say, now only he can be the son. Where he don't feel give him money, may take cross Mauritanian Sea. My son, you need to go back home. I don't want make Mauritanian Sea sink you. So he can't tell Benjamin, he can't tell my mama. Now my mama can't say okay. Now because of that, your papa no want help. You say your papa don't get the money. Say no. He say papa they fear because the other one, as the client, police don't already carry her. Police don't carry the property. Vera way be say that they carry the con. Now Vera start to they use Ikuntus. He do the Kuntus work. After doing the Kuntus work, he cross Benjamin first. Okay? He now cross Benjamin. Vera still daily the way he cross Benjamin.
Sorry, mama, not forget. The money not even correct. He even collect from house. We be say cost problem for later. He borrow for us about 200,000 and be 150. You still remember?
Vera, you remember me. Vera boyfriend for Nigeria. Now she boy. Vera got many problems. How she boy still swear for her? What did they call this boy? Jeffrey, a bit Jerry, that they call this boy. That she boy, I know. You understand? For Ogbeson, the boy they drive one bus. I say for Vera story. 3 years we never finish her. Oh my God.
Hell.
Vera come up for Nigeria. We don't know. Vera come up for Nigeria. My papa go the follow station to station. They say his daughter is dismissing. We didn't even know the time when Vera leave the house. Now after 3 months, Vera come call me saying Libya in the Libya junction. Now we say the Libya junction. I take happen. He say now one woman. Now I say okay. Do you know that Vera tell this same boy now? Say, now me carry and come on for us, me come abandon. Oh, God, if I dey come back again, may I still follow first daughter, be may I follow second to last boy. Oh my God, don't tell me that. Don't be not. Very good for her. He say I come abandon her for Libya. He say make that boy borrow her 150. If he cross, he go come carry the boy. How she boy come enter Lampo. He can't borrow. He can't tell Vera. Say, Vera, now Lapo, you know, say, I carry bus for bonus and carry. Now Lapo, I for carry this money. Vera say, if I you enter abroad, now I go be madam of my own. I will you come carry you. And the boy go borrow money. That money, Vera add and join money, take cross my man. Vera can use a cross Benjamin. Vera can still follow it the same madam enter house. As their way coming, both capsize. Madam and sister can follow Mauritanian Sea. Vera can survive. I said that year, 2015, July 11. Even me not remember the date when me enter Europe. Me remember date with Vera enter.
Oh.
Me no remember date when me come overseas. I remember Vera home. Because of the tragedy, go it. Waiting happen 2015, June 11th. Italy, Casablanca. Pope go seaside. As the thing come reach, the tragedy was severe. When Vera fit come out, I say, oh, my blood, my blood. Our mother is with us. Thank God for the survivor. He said he be not sink finish. He said I only 2 fingers for mama side. Now you both see where they rescue her. 2 fingers, because they do when they like all those pele, or you both can say, this one still they work, oh. He never yet give up. Now they raise Vera come out. Now they take bring Vera come out
Radon.
for Mauritania. See. As Vera come in, I call the shivolo, I sit all talk. My sister, now wait till you pass through with this. I call the shivolo. I was shaking. I say, my mama wait the heaven. Hold that side, make we hold this side. You do well for my body. You do well when Vera not less than Mauritania see. Suppose you no. Suppose you less than Mauritania see for be better. But God not the best.
God forbid though. There's a person not the bad finish. Maybe one day now I go clear.
I wait to walk by regular. Not day.
It didn't they?
So as Vera come enter, Vera come in. We said do not day. He said that they what you call her Bologna, no can remember. So far he enter Italy. So after they got thank you. I see my brain still the Fosione as Italy talk. As he come,
that time Roma.
You de Roma. Me de Barry. I can't say my sister as a piece so. Since you years they come out from second heaven, so come my side, make I cook banga soup, job banga soup for you. Might welcome you. Me no know say my sister gets another agenda. Me come the fans, I want to buy tilapia, to buy ingredients of banga, might cook banga soup for Vera. Vera come they tell me say, now only on Friday the letter. I come say my sister I don't care, even though you come on Friday. But on Monday morning you go move. May I just see you as you resurrect as second Jesus Christ. I need to see you eyeball to eyeball. Vera tumble me, show me. Now after 1 week I come to see say my mama is trying to play with my heart. Now I start to carry my heart. I say thank God say you survive. Tomorrow I said that they go questora. Now he said because if you see where they go put them, because their case was different, you understand? Few ways survivor. Now inside that boat, one Ghana man where they carry pikin, he pregnant wife go. Now only the small pikin and the husband survive. Then you have to put that one for separate motor because the pregnant woman go for that incident. Why they tell you so with Bele? He can't remain the man like a 2 years old daughter. As they just see the man, they just carry the man go another place. They Vera with some people where remain, they can't carry them go. They go put them for one fine building. If you see kitchen, everything, because they were special. Now I tell my sister, say, this one where you there, so you say that when they go first interview. I beg my sister, measure out your name. Measure Rotimi and Bozoko and the others. He said, my sister, he said you don't write their name down since. He said she don't write the name. Now say, my sister, when they camp, suppose I get pikin for Nigeria, they for bring my pikin. Not talk of this one, you tell them, they go bring those your children. Say, sister, you don't run everything. Me no know say you carry my mama come abroad, my people. Me with Vera they talk with the rapport. So more time Vera can't call me. He can't call this my brother de Roma. He say his friend want go Germany. He say whether my brother get any connection to Germany. Then my brother can say later of the can say no, you not get to. He say na his friend. We not know say Vera get belle, he carry belle all the way from Jamaria to Europe. Vera was 2 months
Benjamin,
pregnant.
I still get the children where born for Germany.
Na Benjamin. So
okay.
He come there in a hurry. Me no say Vera get belle. She come there in a hurry to go Germany, go block Germany, Benjamin. Because when Benjamin can't enter, when the Benjamin succeed, Now that time this is papa. Benjamin can't have forget that place. Benjamin can't call it papa. If papa can say since he succeed, make your con Germany may give him better life. Thank God say he succeed. You understand? Now Benjamin take on papa send money, can't go meet papa for Germany. As Vera your enter, I see say Germany, Benjamin, Germany on the same. Benjamin don't go Germany. Now Vera you take Bekpo. He go meet her for Banoff. Okay? Vera don't go meet Benjamin for Banoff. Meet say Vera still dey Italy.
This
You know,
true
say,
life story.
if I call Vera, we will still gist. One day, no but no could they go. I could they panic. I could say, Vera no but no they go. I can't remember say when the new enter. Now two number I can't they call me because I saved the two. With that friend where they call Novet. I can't say let me try Novet number. Almost 1 week I cannot hear of Vera. Now I can't call Novet. Say I want to talk to Vera. He say, Mama, Vera don't reach Germany since 8 months now. Now say Vera dey Germany since 8 months. Seriously, he say Mama Vera don't go Germany since 8 months. I say Vera never tell me something like that. Oh, I'm talking with Vera. I think say Vera still dey Italy. He say Mama Vera don't reach Germany. That's okay. Now me just still dey on code. Me with Vera go dey talk. We go dey talk. We go dey talk. One day Vera dey talk to me. Say he say he never wake up. He say cold everywhere. Cold too much. Now I tell her say you know say na so Germany dey be cold dey Germany. You can't use Benny tell me, sister, when I'm going nice. Sister, why you? Sister, what you come behind us and say, my sister. You know, say Germany, they get cold, where. So she can't understand, say, I thought the code say she did Jamo. This time, where they talk so. When Vera enter Germany, he can't, a Papa Germany can't see Vera with. Vera can't tell Papa Germany, say, she is 2 months pregnancy. Now, Papa Germany. Oh, Papa Benjamin. Mona understand. Not be my fault. If I don't give me gift, I don't talk. Mona put fuel for motor. Motor don't they run down. I go rest. I not put fuel for motor.
I dey share, I dey like.
Why happy? Why have a gift? Why show a love? But why
I don't put fuel for motor. Now want the motor run down.
Power tap and share. This one a
This
fresh update right from the sources. True life story. Power tap and share. A gift to
Vera, oh, Vera.
Damn a Shema disgrace Vera Bontroway and Benjamin. Agbele Sokwa water. Now fire down, Mama. Fire down. God is your strength.
People they come up. So as Papa Benjamin can't see Vera, Papa Benjamin can't use that old Papa look Vera. He can't look Vera back of leg. He can't say enare moki enari hiodu. O toya nagirela mona interpreter. Papa Benjamin can't use inside old Papa to look Vera as Vera can't go meet Benjamin for Germany. Now he call Pikin say, my Pikin, this woman is not a small woman. He say, Papa, na small woman never born before. As the Papa can say, if you want use Gamma Germany burger take talk to his son.
As the old school.
As the old school. He can't use where there is take way Vera. He can't say Vera na old school, old chicken. He can't call his son, my son, my son. You know, say Papa Benjamin, they always call he became my boy, my boy. Like Papa, they call her.
Oh.
If Papa can't call her, my boy, my boy. This woman is old. She's not a young lady. Benjamin say, Papa, but I lie. She's pregnant for me. Now, then Papa Benjamin say, bye. Pregnancy where he can't come for Libya. Never. Not be picky, get that one. When they hear that one,
we dey hear, my sister.
He said not be picky, get her. He said not be picky, get her. Now, so, the kwata. Vera enter hospital. Now they call hospital for Germany. Avialele what hospital will do?
Hospital.
Sister way they ask question. Awe bogian where to a hero. Uno Benjamin Yadian yo. Uno Benjamin Yadian roti.
Wait, like how many years Benjamin go take?
Benjamin should be 29, 30.
Mamma mia.